Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. So let us chant this Dhyana Karma Yoga Shloka all together. Parasharyavachas sarojamamalam Gītāर्थagandhokatam Nānākhyanakakesaram Harikatha Sambodhanabodhitam Loke sajjanashatpadairaharaha Pepiyamanam muda Bhuyat bharata pankajam kalimala Pradhamsina shreyasi Atha Srimad Bhagavad Gītāsu Karma Yoga Shloka Sangraha Arjuna Uvaca Jyayasi Chet Karmanaste Mata Buddhirjanardana Tatkim Karmani Gore Ma Niyojayasi Keshava Shri Bhagavan Uvaca Naishkaryam Purushoshute Natasanyasana Deva Siddhim Samadhigacchati Nahi Kaschit Kshanamapi Jatu Tishthatya Karma Krita Karyate Shavashah Karma Sarva Prakriti Jai Gunai Karmendriyani Samyamya Yahaste Manasa Smaran Indriyartham Vimudhatma Mityacharasya Uchyate Yasvindriyani Manasa Niyamya Rabhate Arjuna Karmendriyai Karma Yogam Asaktasya Vishishyate Anubandham Shayam Himsam Anapekshata Paurusham Mohadarabhyate Karma Yattattamasamuchyate Yattu Kameshu Ma Karma Sanamkarena Va Punaha Kriyate Bahulayasam Tajrajasamudakritam Niyatam Sangarahitam Aragatveshatakritam Abhalaprepsuna Karma Yattat Satvikamuchyate Karmanyevadhikaraste Ma phaleshu kadachana Ma karma phala heturvu Ma te sangosva karmani. Okay. This shloka Kim karma kima karmeti Kim karma kima karmeti Kim karma kima karmeti Kavayopyatra mohitaha Kavayopyatra mohitaha Kavayopyatra mohitaha Kim karma kima karmeti Kavayopyatra mohitaha Kim karma kima karmeti Kavayopyatra mohitaha Tatte karma. Please, yes. Kim karma kima karmeti Kavayopyatra mohitaha Tatte karma pravakshyami Tatte karma pravakshyami Tatte karma pravakshyami Yajnatva mokshyase shubhat Yajnatva mokshyase shubhat Yajnatva mokshyase shubhat Tatte karma pravakshyami Yajnatva mokshyase shubhat Tatte karma pravakshyami किं कर्म किमकर्मेति कवयोऽप्यत्र मोहिताः तत्ते कर्म प्रवक्ष्यामि यज्ञात्वा मोक्ष्यसे शुभात्। So we'll contemplate this shloka, Kim Karma, Kima Karmeti. Jayati Parashara Sunuhu Satyavati Hridaya Nandano Vyasaha Yasya Asya Kamalagalitam Vangmayam Amritam Jagat Pibati Vyasaya Bhavanashaya Shrishaya Gunarashaye Hridyaya Shuddha Vidyaya Madhvaya cha Namo Namaha Shankaram Shankaracharyam Shesham Ramanujam Yatim Vayuncha Madhvamacharyam Acharyatrayamasriye. All the dignitaries on the dais, faculties, students. So this is the beautiful shloka which is coming in the 4th chapter. We are contemplating on the collection of Karma Yoga Sangraha. Yesterday we had a beautiful shloka. Karmanyeva adhikaraste maphaleshu kadachana. So first we should know what is to be done, is it not? There it is mentioned, you have only right to do, but we should know what to do now first. Kim karma, kima karmeti. So this is the shloka which is going to explain kim karma, kim akarmeti, kavayaha api atra mohitaha tat te karma pravakshyami yat gnatva mokshyase ashubhat. So here kim karma, what is to be done? Kim akarmeti, what is action, what is non-action? So that is even kavayopyatra mohitaha, even learned people, jnanis also sometimes fail to recognize this, it seems. Krishna is telling here, kim karma, kima karmeti, kavayopyatra mohitaha. Knowledgeable people also sometimes, they fall into this maya. So that is how, what to be done, what to do, what not to do, what is right, what is good, what is bad, what is right, what is wrong. Everything is to be first understood. Then we can do karmanyeva adhikaraste. Yes, we have to do. First we should know what to do. What is action, what is inaction. So kim karma, kima karmeti, kavayaha api atra mohitaha. Tat te karma, Krishna is telling Arjuna, tat te karma pravakshyami. That secret I am going to tell you now. Karma pravakshyami. After knowing that, yagnatva mokshase ashubhat. Yes, you get liberated from this karma bondage. The bondage of karma is going to bind all of us. All of us are bound in this karma bandha. Lokoyam karma bandhanaha. It is mentioned. Krishna says, Lokoyam karma bandhana. The whole world is bound by this karma. Karma, nobody is going to be spared of karma. That means, what we sow, we reap. Yatha, there is a beautiful subhashita here. Yatha dhenu sahasrena vatso vindati mataram tatha purvakritam karma kartaram anugacchati. You should know the meaning of this. So beautiful. How everyone is bound by karma. Yes, we don't know what we have done in previous life, what karma we have done. And what karma we are going to do next, that is also we don't know. But in the present now, Vartamana Kala, you are consciously doing what is to be done, what is not to be done. You know it. So presently what you are going to do, that will determine your next life. That is what, how it is given example in Subhashita. Yatha dhenu sahasrena. As there are thousands of cows in a cow shed, the mother cow can identify its baby. ಯಥಾ ಧೇನು ಸಹಸ್ರೇಣ ವತ್ಸೋ ವಿಂದತಿ ಮಾತರಂ. Yes, the mother knows, mother finds his baby among thousands of cows in a cowshed. And baby also knows who is my mother. How? By smell. By smell, the baby can recognize the mother can recognize its baby. In the same way, tata purvakritam karma, whatever we do, whatever we have done in our previous life, purvakritam karma kartaram anugacchati, it will find you. Karma will find you wherever you take birth. In this life, whatever you do, next time you may take birth in somewhere in Australia or America or somewhere in South African tribe also. Wherever you take birth, karma will definitely find you. It will not leave you. It will follow you. So this is the theory of karma secret. Kim karma, kim akarmeti, kavayopyatra mohitaha, tatte karma pravakshyami yajnatva mokshase shubhat. You get liberated from the bondage of karma. This is the beautiful meaning of this sloka. Hari Om Tat Sat.
Om